Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I am going to show you how to do these realistic marbled nails. So let's get started. Here are my client's nails. I already went in and sculpted them and then I sealed them up with some tack so our paints will stick nice to that. So I'm using Fuzion Paints 101 and this Scotch tape, and I'm just taking the Scotch tape and making a guide for myself basically. And I'm taking the gel polish brush here and just applying this paints onto her thumb. After we are done painting that, I'm just gonna remove the tape and clean up that line just in case there's any smudging. And then again, we're going in with the tape to do this V French nail. I have no idea what it's called, so if you know, please comment in the comment section. But I just call it the V French nail. Anyways, so I'm going up in the corners with my Ugly Duckling Detailer number 2 brush just to get way up in there. And then I'm cleaning up after. So I did cure this before I did the other side. And then I'm just taping it up again and just going in, touching it up, doing what I need to do. And then after I'm done, I fully cure that. Now that our French nails are done, I'm just going in and painting a full covered nail on her pointer fingers. Now I'm going in with Fuzion's Chameleon Frosty, and when it's cold it's a nice silver purple, and when it's warm it just goes to a silver. And I'm just doing up our French trimmings here on our V nail, and on the thumb that's just the straight cross line. So let's do that. So after we cure that, we're going in with Ugly Duckling matte top coat and we're just sealing up all those white nails. And then after we're done curing this, of course, cleanse that dispersion layer away. Well, I don't know if you saw this coming, but we're going to use some Apres inks and blending fluid to create this design. So I'm using this brush from Elegance. It's the number 4 flat brush with clear handle. And it's my favorite for doing marble. I have to, yeah, I love it. So I'm just going in and doing some lines with the brush that it gives me. And then the trick with this is to let the brush and the fluid do the work for you. Like, I am hardly applying any pressure because any pressure really takes away the ink. So it's very light-handed motions. So I'm just going in and adding a little bit more here. And the trick is to work at it on both sides with a light pressure. And by doing so, the moisture of our blending fluid pushes the concentration of the ink into the center of the line, which creates that dramatic line. And also, when you kind of veer away from that line, you get those center spots where it's kind of faded and washed out looking. So here I'm just trying to show you how light of a pressure I'm using. I'm hardly touching the nail. Again, I'm letting that blending fluid do its magic and just directing it to where I want to go. And then if you leave the runoff of the ink there, it creates those splotchy spots with the fade washed out look. The other big thing with marbling is not to overthink it, because nature has flaws and that's what makes it beautiful. So you don't need to be perfect because it's going to make the nail unique looking that way. The veins and the marble stones, they all run differently. Like you can't mess it up. It might take some playing around to see how you personally can manipulate that ink, but once you get it, you got it. So now I'm just going in with my favorite top coat and top coating these in, and then so here they are, and when I turn to the side, you can see how nice my almond shaping is. And please let me know if you'd like to see more marbling tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my other social media, and we will see you in next Wednesday's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.